Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. When it comes to digital currencies, one of the major issues for investors is not being up to date with the latest market trends. Cryptocurrencies have quickly risen to a place of dominance in the lives of many investors. While at the same time, analysts have continued to warn investors and individual traders about its volatile nature and unpredictability. So if you've decided to invest some of your money in cryptocurrency, just like with any other investment, it's important to do your research before you invest your hard-earned money. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the things that you should know before you invest in cryptocurrency. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. First things first, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Since cryptocurrency is volatile in nature, it's riskier than other forms of investment. Nothing is guaranteed other than its volatility. Mostly it's unregulated in the majority of cases. There's no insurance for cryptocurrency, nor is there any purchaser of last resort. The prices of digital currencies fluctuate from minute to minute. And while the overall market might be thriving now, it's endured quite a few corrections and almost certainly will again. For instance, Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency introduced to the market, has been around for over a decade and it's considerably less likely to disappear compared to other coins. However, it's still not risk-free either. Do your research before investing. Before you put your money in any cryptocurrency, spend days researching it so that you can get an in-depth understanding of the value propositions and the risks. It's also important to note that someone else buying it from you at a higher price is not a value proposition. Read everything you can on cryptocurrencies and their trading. Be proactive on crypto community forums and developer mailing lists. Don't forget to listen to podcasts and also read books on cryptocurrency trading, cryptography, economics, and game theory. Also read crypto blogs like CoinDesk and also articles on Medium. Go to local meetups, of course when it's safe to, and know as much as you can about it by asking questions. In case you don't understand what you're hearing, don't be afraid to ask questions or ask someone to explain it to you. If you still don't understand, don't assume that that's just on you. People could just be talking for the sake of talking. Once you think you've researched everything about cryptocurrency, then conduct even more research. You're probably at the tip of the iceberg. Resist the fear of missing out. If the only reason that you want to invest in cryptocurrency is to avoid missing out, then the only thing that you're likely not to miss out on is losing your investment. Fear of missing out is an almost guaranteed way to lose your investment. The problem is that it's a gut reaction to something that should be read about before you make the investment. So if you start trading based on your gut feeling, then it could quickly lead to an upset stomach. Know what you're investing your money on. Downloading a trading app and seeing a currency skyrocket up 40% or so over the last few hours isn't research. It could just be the fact that you're the unlucky sap being sold a falling cryptocurrency. Every coin has its good and its bad. Even Bitcoin does. So don't fall for peer pressure. Think for yourself and study the case for trade on its merits. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Similar to Wall Street, US Congress, or the American Bar Association, cryptocurrency is widespread with charlatans. There's a lot of people out there promising that their project will be the one to overthrow Bitcoin. But is it? Well, the only way really to find out is to conduct your research. Some cryptocurrency exchanges offer over 100 times leverage, which means that you can borrow 99% of the price of an investment. This will juice your earnings if the coin skyrockets in terms of its value, but if it goes the other way around, then you could lose everything. Last but not least, don't sell your house, your car, and your kidneys to invest in cryptocurrency. Every now and then you'll come across reports that highlight great stories of desperate people who sold everything and purchased cryptocurrency, later to become millionaires. But these stories often have an ugly side. First of all, it's not 2011 anymore, and purchasing 1,000 Bitcoins isn't that simple. And also, no one knows whether at least one of the altcoins will be able to duplicate what Bitcoin did. So to put it simply, you might be able to double or triple your capital, but it's very unlikely that that'll happen almost immediately. And it's unlikely that the transformation of $20,000 into 50 or 60,000 is worth the risk. Since everything can change, you might suffer the consequences before you even make that money. Also, don't let yourself be fooled by a few mere success stories, because each of them is worth 100 failures, mostly because of ignorance, inexperience, and carelessness. Are you sure that the collected capital is worth the calculated risk, and that your experience is enough to speculate the future and secure yourself from potential unforeseen situations? Remember that you're far more likely to gain significant money by not just gambling roulette, but by conducting proper research, having a cold mind, and awareness. Be aware of the crucial events, read blogs and stories, and gain experience from other people's mistakes to help you make educated choices. It's important to note that cryptocurrencies are a highly speculative and volatile area. For every overnight Bitcoin millionaire, there are so many investors who've invested their life savings into the virtual token realm, only to see their money disappear. So if you plan to invest in this area, you have to be aware of all the risks. By doing your research before investing, you can give yourself the best chance for success. So there we have it, 5 things that you need to know before buying cryptocurrency. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research before investing. Resist the fear of missing out. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. And don't sell your house, car, and kidneys to invest in cryptocurrency. Once again, if you found this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.